Hello and welcome. Today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful and sometimes confusing commands in version control, Git Reset. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the differences between soft, mixed, and hard resets. So what exactly is Git Reset? Simply put, it is a way to undo changes. It works by moving the head pointer, which points to your current branch and commit, backward in time to a specific commit. Depending on which mode you use, it can also modify your staging area and your working files. To understand reset, you must first understand the three trees of Git. First, you have the working directory, which contains the actual files you are editing on your disk. Second is the staging area, or index, which holds the changes you have prepared to commit. And third is the repository itself, where your committed history lives. Git Reset affects these three areas differently. Let's start with the least destructive mode, soft reset. When you run git reset --soft, Git moves the head pointer backward to the commit you specify. However, it stops there. It does not touch your staging area or your working directory. This means all the changes from the commits you just undid are left sitting safely in your staging area, ready to be committed again. Here is a visual representation. Imagine we want to reset from commit C3 back to C2. With a soft reset, the head pointer moves to C2. The changes that were in C3 are effectively preserved. The repository history is updated, the staging area keeps the changes, and your working files remain untouched. It is perfect for fixing the last commit message or combining multiple commits. Next is mixed reset. This is actually the default mode if you do not specify a flag. Like the soft reset, it moves the head pointer backward. But it goes one step further and also resets the staging area to match the head. It does not touch your working directory. This means your changes are preserved, but they are unstaged. Visually, moving back to commit C2 with a mixed reset updates the repository and the staging area. However, your working directory is left alone. The changes from commit C3 are still in your files, but you would need to run git add again to stage them. This is great when you want to keep your work, but perhaps commit it in a different order or split it into smaller chunks. Finally, we have the hard reset. This is the destructive mode. When you run git reset --hard, it moves the head pointer, it resets the staging area, and it completely overwrites your working directory to match the specified commit. Any changes in the undone commits or uncommitted local files are lost permanently. In this diagram, you can see the danger. When we reset hard to C2, the repository moves back. But notice the staging area and working directory. They are instantly overwritten to match C2 perfectly. The work that was in C3 is gone. Use this only when you want to completely discard your current progress and start fresh from a previous point. Let's summarize. Soft reset moves head but keeps changes staged. Mixed reset moves head and unstages changes, which is the default behavior. Hard reset moves head and destroys all changes in both the staging area and working directory. Remember, soft and mixed are generally safe for your file contents, while hard is destructive. Here are some best practices. Use soft reset to amend commits. Use mixed reset to uncommit work but keep the code. Use hard reset only when you are sure you want to discard changes. And the golden rule, never reset commits that you have already pushed to a shared repository, as this can break history for your team. You now have a solid understanding of the three types of Git reset. By knowing exactly how they affect the repository, index, and working directory, you can manage your version control history with confidence. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more developer guides. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.